Qul, Ya Ahlal Kitab, say to them, O you people of the book. Ya Ahlal Kitab is a very commonly used Arabic phrase or statement in the Quran, specifically referring to the Jews and the Christians. It says, Ya Ahlal Kitab, O you Jews and the Christians, O you people of the book, O you people who believe that a book from God came to you. A very honorable address to the people of the book. In this context, Ya Ahlal Kitab, Ta'alaw, come. Ila kalimatin sawa'in baynana wa baynakum. For a common talk, for a common term as between us and you. Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but Allah. Now this name Allah, when it was revealed in Quran to Prophet Muhammad, for the Jews and Christians at that time was very connecting to them because they were already calling the Almighty God as Allah. So it says, come to common terms as between us and you. Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but Allah.
Come on, Rizwan. Come on, Rizwan. Come on, Rizwan. Come on, Rizwan.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. एक दिन ओ मन में है विश्वास आया है विश्वास हम होंगे कामयाब